Hello everyone, welcome to this series on important facts about the lives and works of famous writers. And this is the second video on R.K. Narayan, where we will discuss about him in more detail. Introduction. Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami, popularly known as R.K. Narayan, was a renowned Indian writer who made significant contributions to Indian literature in English. Born in Madras, now Chennai, in 1906, Narayan grew up in a Tamil Brahmin family and became one of the leading figures of early Indian literature in English. His works not only introduced Indian culture and sensibilities to a global audience, but also brought the fictional town of Malgudi to life, creating a world that resonates with readers even today. Early life and education. Narayan was born into a large Brahmin family, the second eldest of 8 children. He spent much of his childhood in Madras under the care of his grandmother, who instilled in him a love for literature and learning. Narayan attended several schools before finally completing his higher education at Maharaja College in Mysore, where he earned his bachelor's degree. Narayan's early exposure to English literature, especially the works of Charles Dickens, Wodehouse, and Thomas Hardy, deeply influenced his writing style. Despite facing initial setbacks, including failing his university entrance exam, Narayan remained dedicated to his passion for writing, a decision that would eventually lead to a prolific literary career. Literary career in Malgudi. Narayan's literary journey began with his first novel, Swami and Friend, in 1935, which introduced the fictional town of Malgudi, a setting that would become the backdrop for many of his subsequent works. Malgudi, though fictional, vividly reflects the life, culture, and nuances of a typical South Indian town, making it relatable to readers across the world. Narayan's ability to capture the simplicity of everyday life with grace and humor drew comparisons to Western authors like William Faulkner and Charles Dickens. His works such as The Bachelor of Arts, 1935, The Dark Room, 1938, and The English Teacher, 1945, further solidified his reputation as a master storyteller who could depict the ironies and complexities of human relationships with elegance and subtlety. The Guide and international recognition. One of Narayan's most celebrated works is The Guide, 1958, a novel that won the Sahitya Academy Award and was later adapted into a successful film. The Guide exemplifies Narayan's skill in blending humor, irony, and a deep understanding of human nature. The novel's protagonist, Raju, evolves from a tour guide into a spiritual figure, reflecting Narayan's exploration of themes such as identity, redemption, and the clash between tradition and modernity. Narayan's writing garnered international attention, with American writer John Updike praising him as a writer of a vanishing breed, one who identifies completely with his subjects and believes in the significance of humanity. His work not only captivated Indian readers but also found a place in the hearts of audiences worldwide. The meticulous chronicler of Indian life. Narayan's short stories, often compared to those of Guy de Maupassant for their narrative precision, further showcase his talent for capturing the essence of Indian life. Collections like Malgudi Days, 1942, and Astrologer's Day, 1947, and Under the Banyan Tree and Other Stories, 1985, highlight his ability to depict the struggles, joys, and ironies of ordinary people with warmth and humor. His writing was not limited to fiction. Narayan also explored non-fiction and mythology, retelling classic Indian epics such as the Ramayana 1972 and the Mahabharata 1978 in accessible prose, bringing these ancient stories to modern audience. Awards and honors. Throughout his career, Narayan received numerous awards and honors, reflecting his significant contribution to Indian and global literature. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1958 for The Guide, and later the Padma Bhushan 1964 and Padma Vibhushan in 2000, India's third and second highest civilian awards respectively. Narayan was also nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature multiple times and was appointed to the Rajya Sabha, India's upper house of parliament. Legacy and influence. R.K. Narayan's legacy as a writer lies in his ability to portray the richness of Indian life with simplicity, humor, and profound insight. His creation of Malgudi, a town teeming with relatable characters and stories, remains one of his greatest achievements, making him an iconic figure in Indian literature. Narayan passed away in 2001 in Chennai, but his works continue to be cherished by readers worldwide. His ability to capture universal themes of human experience set against the backdrop of changing India ensures that his stories remain timeless. Synopsis of R.K. Narayan's notable works. Swami and Friends. This delightful book immerses you in the world of Swaminathan and his exciting adventures with friends in the fictional world of Malgudi. As you read, you will experience their school mischiefs, deep friendships, and the important life lessons they learn along the way. Swami and Friends is a readable story for children filled with playful moments and valuable insights into growing up. This beloved tale captures the joys and challenges of childhood, making it a timeless favorite for readers of all ages. The Bachelor of Arts. Follow Chandan, a young college graduate, as he navigates the complexities of love, ambition, and societal expectations in The Bachelor of Arts. This novel explores themes of self-discovery, pursuing dreams, and gaining independence, making it particularly engaging for older children and teens. Chandan's journey invites readers to reflect on their own aspirations, challenges, and the path to finding their place in the world. This compelling story offers valuable lessons about life, making it a must-read for those eager to understand its twists and turns. The English Teacher. In this profound story, Narayan delves into themes of love, loss, and the quest for wisdom. Join Krishna, the protagonist, as he copes with the grief of losing his wife and embarks on a journey to find deeper meaning in life through ancient Indian teachings. As you accompany Krishna on his path, you will feel his emotions, share in his search for solace, and witness his gradual understanding of life's deeper truths. Narayan's beautiful storytelling encourages readers to contemplate love, sorrow, and inner peace, making this a deeply moving narrative for anyone seeking inspiration and enlightenment. Malgudi Days. Malgudi Days is a captivating collection of short stories set in the vibrant town of Malgudi. Each story is a mini adventure, offering a glimpse into different aspects of life in this charming town. You will encounter fascinating characters and hear heartwarming tales that will make you smile and reflect. Every story in this book is unique, blending simple enjoyment with profound lessons, making it perfect for young readers to both enjoy and learn from. Whether you are meeting quirky individuals or uncovering touching moments, Malgudi Days invites children to explore the rich and exciting world of Malgudi. The Dark Room. In this novella, Narayan explores themes of family dynamics and societal expectations. It tells the story of a young wife who feels trapped in an unfulfilling marriage. Narayan addresses challenging issues like feeling confined, finding inner strength, and the desire for freedom. As you follow her journey, you may be reminded of people in similar situations and the courage it takes to change their lives. Narayan's narrative prompts readers to consider the resilience of the human spirit and the universal yearning for freedom, making it a thought-provoking read. The Vendor of Sweets. The Vendor of Sweets follows Jagan, a traditional sweet seller, and his son Mali, who embraces modern ideas as they navigate the changes in post-independence India. This humorous and insightful story explores the clash between old traditions and new ways of thinking. Through the experiences of Jagan and Mali, readers are invited to laugh and ponder the evolving nature of society. This book offers a delightful mix of humor and reflection, encouraging readers to think about how we balance tradition with progress. The Guide. Widely regarded as one of Narayan's finest works, The Guide tells a gripping story of love, betrayal, and redemption. Set in rural India, the novel follows Raju, a charming guide who unexpectedly becomes a reverend saint. Against the backdrop of picturesque countryside, Raju experiences numerous trials and tribulations as he learns about himself and navigates complex relationships. This dramatic and emotionally rich narrative draws readers into a world of intense feelings and difficult choices, making The Guide a memorable and universally appealing novel. The Man-Eater of Malgudi. This intriguing novel combines elements of mystery, folklore, and social commentary. When a temple elephant suddenly goes on a rampage, it throws the peaceful town of Malgudi into chaos. This unexpected event uncovers hidden secrets and forces the townspeople to confront difficult decisions. As you delve deeper into the story, you will be captivated by the interplay between ancient beliefs and modern challenges, prompting reflections on tradition, morality, and human behavior. With its compelling narrative, the book offers thought-provoking insights into society's norms and what happens when the unexpected occurs, making it an unforgettable read. The Financial Expert. Meet Maragaya, a well-meaning money advisor with big dreams of wealth and success. The Financial Expert explores themes of greed, ambition, and moral dilemmas in a small Indian town. Through Maragaya's story, Narayan illustrates how the pursuit of wealth can lead to unforeseen consequences. This book imparts important lessons about integrity and values, while also prompting readers to consider what true success really means. As you follow Maragaya's journey, you will reflect on how our choices shape our lives and the lives of those around us. The Financial Expert is a powerful story that delves into the human struggle between desire and righteousness. The Grandmother's Tale and Selected Stories. This collection showcases Narayan's exceptional talent for storytelling, featuring a diverse array of characters and plots ranging from humorous to serious. Each story offers a glimpse into Narayan's imaginative world, introducing you to a variety of characters, each with their own compelling narrative. Some stories focus on playful children, while others provide deeper reflections on adult life. Narayan's vivid storytelling draws readers into the lives of his characters, making them feel present in each scene. This book, full of charm and wisdom, takes readers on a delightful journey through Narayan's creative universe. Conclusion. R.K. Narayan is one of the greatest writers of Indian literature, contributing to the generational wealth of Indian literature in English. His works not only portray the nuances of Indian life, but also connect deeply with universal human experiences. Whether through the charming tales set in Malgudi or his insightful exploration of complex human emotions, Narayan's writings continue to inspire and resonate with readers around the world. His legacy as a chronicler of Indian life, with a touch of humor and profound wisdom, ensures that his stories remain timeless treasures in the literary world. So this was the discussion on the life and works of R.K. Narayan. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other author. Until then, goodbye and thank you.